Hey guys, today let's learn how to take a screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. So in this video, if you'd like to go ahead and learn how, please watch it until the end. Alright guys, so this is going to be a lengthy process because what we need to do first is to launch the Spotify application. Now, once we are already here, I would like you to go ahead and firstly choose a specific chat that you'd like to go ahead and, well, reply to. In this case, this is the specific chat that I want to go ahead and just view, and we do have to basically differentiate this chat from the main chat that we want to go ahead and take a screenshot of without them knowing. Now, the first step is to hop on over to the chat that we're going to use for this example, and what I want you guys to do is to tap on this camera options. Now, proceed with switching to the front camera, and what I want you to do is to go ahead and basically proceed with taking a quick snap already, and then also adding some text to that. So I'm going to go ahead and add some texts over here and proceed with just adding that to my screen. Now, what I want you guys to do next is to start screen recording with your iPhone. So we do have the screen recording feature on your iPhone devices. So this will count down from 3, 2, and 1. And once that countdown is done, go ahead and proceed to the Snapchat application. Now, let's just go ahead and save this photo real quick. And once it is saving, go ahead and tap on the X button and proceed to the chat that you'd like to go ahead and take a screenshot of without them knowing. Now, doing this will actually show you the specific chat and also give you the option to screenshot and record it without them knowing. So try it out yourselves, guys. Comment down below if it worked, and thank you guys for watching.